Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, we only send out an alert to subscribers on Friday's newsletter. That stock closed up over 10% today, but we didn't cover it in a video. That's why it's so important to sign up, and again, it's completely free. We have another company that we looked at not too long ago, and it is back front and center for tomorrow's session. This one can bounce from current levels if circumstances dictate. 4 times last month we said it closed above 10% for the day, and twice it closed over 20%. The volatility that traders often like to see has undoubtedly been present in this one as of late. Pull up XXII immediately. Key highlights. 22nd Century announced new branded products order with customer for Southeast Asia. VLN, that is their registered trademark and brand, is available in over 5,000 stores across 26 states. 22nd Century continues CMO business expansion with additional filtered cigar volume. And according to FinViz, almost 5% of the float is short. So there's short squeeze potential written all over XXII. 22nd Century Group Inc. XXII on the Nasdaq is a next-generation plant biotechnology company focused on improving human health through plant science. Using their breakthrough patent-protected IP to control nicotine biosynthesis in the tobacco plant, they have developed the first market-ready reduced nicotine content tobacco plants and cigarettes containing 95% less nicotine. They received the first and only FDA MRTP authorization for a combustible cigarette in December 2021. The sole function of their cigarettes is to make it easier to reduce the number of cigarettes smoked. Its innovative VLN cigarettes empower smokers to reduce nicotine consumption without sacrificing the smoking experience they know. That difference is a competitive advantage. And it's not just another nicotine delivery system. It's giving smokers the ability to make informed decisions about their nicotine intake. The value driver in its mission to create market and shareholder value is the FDA-approved VLN cigarette, which contains 95% less nicotine than traditional cigarettes. Currently, VLN is available in over 5,000 stores across 26 states, but that could be just the start. 22nd Century has announced ambitious plans to extend distribution to over 270,000 retail outlets nationwide. And there's no stopping there. International expansion is also on its agenda, with established partnerships in markets like South Korea, where the demand for harm reduction products is growing. The infrastructure for growth is in place. XXII supply chain includes a stockpile of low nicotine tobacco ready to meet demand and the additional capacity to manufacture up to 1.4 million cartons of VLN cigarettes, enough to generate up to $85 million in revenue. In other words, XXII is poised for success and has the infrastructure in place to meet the increasing demand for its products. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on XXII, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, I've been covering DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group, for the past 10 days. The stock put in a bottom that 10 days ago, right when it got under, just under, where did it go? Low 1212 here. Oh, it made a low 1175 and then reversed. That was the sign. There's nothing like a market, a stock that is red to green or green to red during the day. That is a clear reversal, especially if that red to green was a new low. and a bounce, or if it's the same thing if you're looking for a top, if it goes from green to red after making a new high, that is a bearish sign. Over the past few days, President Trump has had some good poll numbers. He's now pulled ahead in some of the betting markets. The race is far from over, and over 19% of the float is short. SRRK had big news today. I tweeted the news today before the market opened. I posted on Twitter or X.com and also on StockTwits talking about it. The stock was up 361% today after its candidate for spinal muscular atrophy, abitamagrumab, met its primary endpoint in a phase 3 trial. The monoclonal antibody demonstrated statistically significant improvement in motor function as measured by the Hammersmith Functional Motor Scale Expanded for those receiving its drug compared to placebo at week 52. Data from the Sapphire study further showed that 30.4% of patients taking the therapy had less than 3-point improvement in, or greater than 3-point improvement in HFMSE compared to 12.5% of those on placebo. Those on the drug saw an early motor function improvement versus placebo from 8 weeks and was continued through 52 weeks. Scholar Rock intends to submit regulatory applications to the U.S. and European Medicines Agency in Q1 2025. Also, we got news after hours. They did an offering, commenced an underwritten public offering of $275 million of shares of its common stock and pre-funded warrants. Scholar Rock intends to use the net proceeds to support the commercialization, advance its ongoing and future clinical programs, further development its technology platform, continue to advance its clinical and preclinical pipeline, and for working capital and other general corporate purposes. Guys, look at this. It was green basically all day. Why? Over 20% of the float is short. So you get these short squeezes, a high percentage of the float short plus catalyst, and it's going to rally. And the shorts were fighting, and they got their butts handed to them today. Another one squeezing the shorts is SMCI. Super microcomputer was up over 15% today, the most in 7 months after the artificial intelligence server company disclosed some positive shipment data. The company said it recently deployed more than 10,000 GPUs with its liquid cooling solution system for some of the largest AI factories and other cloud service providers. Supermicro also said that the liquid cooling systems also cut customers' power demand in some cases by up to 40%. The liquid cooling system includes cold plates to let the liquid flow through to microchannels, a specifically designed CDM to enable up to 96 NVIDIA B200 GPUs per rack, and a state-of-the-art CDU solution with a cooling capacity of 250 kilowatt hours and swappable pumps and power supplies. 17% of the float is short. So again, the shorts got absolutely squeezed today. Lastly, DBGI is getting a lot of chatter tonight on StockTwits. We got Real Earn Franklin, Stocks Rockman, OG Tigris talking about it. They're doing research. So if you want more research, go ahead and check out the DBGI feed on StockTwits, and you can see what they have to say. When you look at the market here, the stock was down 5%, and then it's down 18% after hours, 23 cents. There's talk about a fake offering, fake Twitter post that an offering is coming. So there's a lot of back and forth going on about that. So I highly recommend you do your own due diligence and check out what's going on with DBGI. It's a low floater. Just 3.16 million shares in the float, under a $1 million market cap. So gonna expect some fireworks in that name tomorrow. And as always, I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up again. And guys, it's completely free. However, Tuesday's primary focus is XXII. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. Good luck to all except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. To get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to InsiderFinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on XXII. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.